How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about welding tables on a budget. If you haven't seen these cups yet, go ahead and check them out. They're in the link in the description below. This is a WD-40 tumbler. You can get a Cat filter, you can get a Cummins filter printed on a tumbler, and all kinds of other things. So make sure you go check those out. They're pretty cool. The reason why I titled this video, "Watch This Before You Buy a Harbor Freight Table," is because I only have $99 in this particular table. Now, I use this table all the time. This table claims to hold 600 pounds. I had a 100-pound bumper on here the other day. It did not wobble. This thing does not move whatsoever. It's pretty solid. You can't really do a whole lot to make it fall over or crumble. The one thing I do like about this table, though, it is welded to the frame. The Harbor Freight welding table looks like it's bolted. The one I seen looked like it was bolted to the frame, which I don't like that because it could loosen up and cause the table to tilt, or it become loose and cause the table to be wobbly. I like this because it's solid, you can't move it, and the table is actually super level. Now, it does come with cheap clamps and stuff like that, a wire brush and a random hammer. That's the only downfall of this table, but it is $99. And in my opinion, the Harbor Freight welding table, the only thing it has going for it is you can take the legs off of it and set it up on top of a bench and work with it that way. And it also comes with a little bit better clamping situation. But the thing is with that, they're charging a premium because of that. Honestly, you can buy the little circle kit, the little pieces, the whole pipes and stuff, and the stoppers. You can buy those in a kit for nearly nothing on the internet. And the clamps that go down in these holes to hold your project, I can build those for $3. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll show you how to build those clamps. They're super easy to build, and you can do this on a budget. Because of this day and age, everything is expensive. I know it's getting harder to buy things and do things in your garage, and this is why I made this video. Because you're looking at a Harbor Freight table for, about 170 bucks and some change after tax. This was $99, and the clamps that I made in the kit that I got, I have a total of $125 in this welding table, and I use it all the time. Like I said, it's solid. You can't beat it for what it is, and I do use these cheaper clamps on occasion. They work pretty good. I am going to get another one to put it together, make it all level, and make a bigger table. But as of right now, I had a big truck bumper on here. Welded it no problem, had no problems with it shaking or anything like that. This table is totally worth the price. So honestly, if this suits your budget, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy it. It's a reliable table, and if you do things in your shed like I do, or garage, this table will be for you. Like I said, you can buy the clamps and make them into welding table clamps. You already have a welder and a table. It's easy to make the clamps. So it's basically that easy. So I just wanted to make this video and share it with you guys, because I don't want you guys to spend your hard-earned cash on pretty much the same table. It's a little altered, but it pretty much looks the same, and it's pretty much built out of the same material. It's the same thickness as the Harbor Freight table. The thickness of the legs and all that is the same. The only difference is it comes with a cool clamp set, and their table is bolted, which I don't like that. And then their legs come off where you can use it on a top bench, which you could do this one that way too. You can make little legs, but that's the only thing it really has going for it. Is it worth the upcharge? To some, yeah, but a lot of people are on a budget like I am. This table rocks. For 99 bucks, you can't beat it. Now, sometimes they do fluctuate in price. They go from $99 to $110, but still, it's a steal, and you can't beat it. Another question that I always get is the quality control. That's where Harbor Freight comes in with the quality control. Is if something's wrong, you can take it back to the store and you can swap it out real quick. So they probably have a little bit better quality control, and that might steer people away from this table. But I know a couple other people got this table and they didn't have that problem. All the hardware was there, all the legs and stuff are there, no problem. So it's a give or take. It's a gamble, but good thing about Amazon, you always get your money back if something's wrong, or they always help to fix the problem. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go out and check these cups out, and make sure you check out the merch store. I have a bunch of shirts and stuff on there. I'm Cherokee Ronnie. Stay dirty, my friends.